Question number 16, we have this trapezium here. The diagram shows trapezium with the parallel sides of length 12 centimeter and W. So, this is 12 and this is W. The height of the trapezium is 8 centimeter here. The area is 78. Find the value of W, right. So, area we are given 78 centimeters, right, and the formula of area of the trapezium is half A plus B times height, right. That is what I have written over here, and this is equal to 78. Half A, value of A, this is A and B are the parallel sides, right. So, these two are the parallel sides. So, one is 12, another one is W times H, plug in all the values, then this 2 is cancelled with this is 4. Now, you expand the bracket, 48 plus 4W, 78, 78 minus 48, which is 30, right. So, 4W is equal to 30 and W comes out to be 7.5 centimeters, right. Simple question. Direct formula was used here. Number 17, a distance d meters measures 34.6 meters correct to nearest 0.1 meters. Complete the statement about the value of d. Now, this is 0.1 and we are taking the nearest values, divided by 2 it is 0.05. So, for the upper bound we are going to add 0.05, for the lower bound we are going to subtract. So, this gives us 34.55 and 34.65, right. Very straight question. Now, this question 18, guys, this is bit tricky and you guys have to be careful about this. The diagram shows rectangle of 2 points. The diagram shows a rectangle and 2 points P and C. So, you see this is C point here, this is P on 1 centimeter squared grid, right. Write down the coordinates of point C. Point C is here, you can see if we go down there along x axis. So, x is 0 and y is 5. So, coordinates are 0 and 5. Now, second part, B part, the rectangle is enlarged by scale factor of 2 with the center of enlargement of point C. Find the coordinates of point P. So, center of enlargement is this. So, this P is going to be enlarged by scale factor of 2. So, but it goes beyond this graph, right. So, we have to calculate this. How we are going to do that? You see there. So, point P, what are the coordinates of point P? Point P is 7 and 8. If you see, this is point 7 and 8, this is 7 and 8, these are the coordinates of this point P. Now, this is going to enlarge from center of C. So, this is going to be double, right. From C to P we have here, this is 7, right. So, if we multiply here the scale factor, this is going to be this 8 is going to be like okay. So, let us not take the point, wait, we can do this in another way to make it much simpler. So, this P is these are not, I would say, the coordinates of the point. So, this is going to be this is going to be 3. So, why I am taking 3? Actually from C along x axis it is 7 and then how many unit is gone up, it is by 3. Now, this is going to be doubled, right. So, then this coordinate, not coordinate, like I would say, this will become at 14 and this will become at 6, right. So, 14 and 6 we are going to take, but if you see from here down, from C down, we are looking for the coordinates. So, this P coordinate, this is going to remain 14 and this is going to become 6 plus 5. Why 6 plus 5? Because we have here 5. If we this 6 is from like this will be stretched to 6. There are 3 squares here, then this will become 6 squares, right. And then this is 6 plus 5. If we count from the x axis, that will become 5 plus 5. So, the coordinates are going to be 14 and 11. So, that is how you can complete this question. Okay. Now next find the area of the new enlarged triangle. So new enlarged triangle area is going to be, so if you know that this can also be written here, so you can write it down as 2, then 7 3 was this by scale factor. So this is 14 and 6, then this remains on the same, so this will become 0 5 and then plus 14 and plus 6. That's how we get this one, right? Now area of the enlarged rectangle. So now this rectangle, this how many units we have here? 5 times 2, then we are going to get 5 times 2 it is going to become 10, 10 times 6 it is going to become 16. So this 5, you understand what I am saying, this 5 will be times 2, right, and this 3 will be times 2, 6. So 10 times 6. So enlarged area is 10 times 6, that is going to be 60 centimeters squared, right. Now number 19, Joe asked some people if they own a car C and if they own a motorbike M. 86 people own a car, 39 people own motorbike, 7 people do not own car or do not own a motorbike. So there are 86 people, 39 are 7 people those who do not. So that 7 will be outside, which is nowhere, right. So then we have here 86 own car. So 74 is already there. So to make it clear, 74, yeah, 86 minus 74. So this is going to be 12. So 12 are, that means 12 are common. So now this is for motorbike. For motorbike it's 39. So as if you add this 39 minus 12, this is going to give you 27, that we are going to have the motorbike here. So this is how we can complete the diagram. Now find the number of the people that Joe asked. So you need to add here, we can add here 74, 12, 27 and 7. So total is 120, right. Part C, number n C intersection M, that means common in this area. So we are talking about this area now, which is 12. So final answer is 12 here, right. Now number 20, Josh buys a car at for $7,800 and sells for this much. Calculate the percentage loss. First of all, we will calculate the loss by subtracting these two. So we have 2,535. Percentage loss is always like loss over the original price. Original was here 7,800. So divided by 800 times 100, that will give us the percentage. Okay. Now number 21, factorize this. So first of all, we will see the numbers. We have 2875. So 7 divides both of them, 4x minus 5, 7 into 4x minus 5, right. Make r the subject. So t is equal to r over phi, 4 minus p, p is shifted on other side, t plus p, r over 4, and r is equal to 4 times this. So this is the answer. Now 22, solve the simultaneous equation. Solve this equation. So as you can see, we have these two equations here. So one of the coefficients should be same. So if I see this is 6y here and this is 2y, if we multiply here by 3, it will become 6. So we will multiply throughout the equation by 3. So first equation is as it is, 5x plus 6y equals to 9, and when you multiply 3 here, this will be 3 times 3 9, 3 times 2 6 equals to negative 51. Now we add this, when you add this 6y gets cancelled, 5 plus 9 is 14 and this is 42, and we got x as negative 3. So x is negative 3, 5 into negative 3, substitute the value in this equation and you will get the value of y, which is negative, which is actually 4, right. So sorry, I have messed up somehow here. So you can see we have the value of y as 4, not negative 1, it is 4, right. So these two are the correct answers. Now without using a calculator, work out 5 1 over 3 minus 3 4 over 7. guys. I hope you guys are getting benefit of my videos. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and share it with your friends. I will wait for your comments in the comment section about how do you like the video, and any steps to improve, just let me know please guys. So this, when you break up this mixed fraction, 5 times 3 15 plus 1 16, 3 times 7 is 21 plus 4 25 over 7. Now this should be same, so this we can multiply here by 7 to make denominator same, multiply by 3 numerator and denominator. Now you see 3 times 7 21, 7 times 3 21, so numerator is 21. So 16 times 7 112, 25 times 3 75, then you subtract, then you 37 will be written as a fraction. Yeah, so 116 over, so 21 is the denominator, remains same, remainder goes up here, and this is how we get 116 over 21, right? Now this 21 4, this is last question. So we have this part of the regular polygon. The interior angle of the polygon is 132, larger than the exterior. So this is x, this is 100 and x plus 132. Calculate the number of sides. Now you know this is on a straight line, right? So sum of this will be 180. So from here we got x as 24. Now number of sides, we have the formula 360 over exterior angle. We got exterior angle as 4, this is 24. So 360 over 24, this gives us 15 as the number of sides. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys understood everything. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends. Be blessed guys. See you in the next video.